Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, in my case 23 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings than contacts. If you'd like to check some further details, you can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, you can go to the previous weeks. And under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the time you've spent on them. And the second option is to tap directly on the app. So for example, settings, contacts, or whichever app you've got here, just tap on it, and here we've got the dashboard again, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, here we've got ways to disconnect. So for example, we can set the app limits. So if you decide that you are spending too much time on the specific app, you can, for example, completely turn it off or set a timer. So let's pretend it is in the camera in my case. Just tap on this hourglass icon next to it. And now we can set the timer. So, for example, if I will set the timer for 0 hours and 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app during one day for only 30 minutes. After that, the app will be grayed out and the timer will be set, so you will not be able to enter the app. Obviously, you can turn it off in the options, but this is the first... But basically, it intends to stop you from entering the settings and actually turning it off. But we can also, for example, set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes, which means that you will not be able to use the app at all, which is also quite nice. It depends what you need, to be honest. Alright, and the second thing which is worth checking is, for example, the focus mode. So here we can select the distracting apps, so those from which you are receiving the most notifications, for example. Just mark them and then set a schedule. So you can choose the specific days of the week, you can choose the start and the end time, and after tapping on set, your device will basically hide the notifications from those apps, and thanks to it you will be able to, for example, focus on your family, on working or studying or resting, whatever. That's quite nice option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.